This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Norvie Ramos. Great community in Chesapeake, offering charming homes with clubhouse, pool, and ground maintenance to residents. Lovely 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath corner unit condo a few homes from one of the featured ponds. This 2-story unit has a small exterior courtyard. Family room and dining area has an open pass-through window looking into the galley kitchen, which has white cabinets and appliances. Washer and dryer is included. Upstairs, the bedrooms are a good size and the primary bedroom has vaulted ceilings and an ensuite bath. Home is available on August 1, 2021. Call for your tour. Please allow 24-hour notice for showings. Renter's insurance required. Online application and tenant criteria.